Hey traders, happy Monday, morning, evening, afternoon, where everyone's watching this video in the world. I do apologize as well. There was no Sunday update. I had a family catch up, and then I had an issue with my finger that I've sort of neglected for a while. It was like a cyst or something from an infection, from a small cut, and I had to go to the doctors. And then I progressively was not feeling very well either. Like it was, it was the tissue was infected, but the finger survived, so it's okay. But anyway, so I was up in the evening. I was going to sort of make a video, but I thought the Saturday video covered, how the week ended. And again, I made a call on the Aussie yen as a possible sell trade, and it's done the typical Asian session thing. Asia hasn't been trading too long. It's only been around 5 hours or so, 5 hours 20. Markets open at 5 a.m. here in Perth, Western Australia. So we'll see if this can break lower, but it's definitely one worth watching. So anyway, so how have the markets opened for me? So we've got the Euro Aussie in a little bit of profit, and the USD yen as well is looking. It's basing the 105 sort of flat to 25 level. There's definitely support there. So this is, it's not really in a lot of profit percentage-wise. Now, guys, you're probably seeing this and thinking, wow, that's really small amounts of money. This is a small live account. For me personally, I'm more of a conservative trader. That's why I've started with the small live account. If you have been, a bit of a follower for a while now, I thank you and I appreciate that. You would have seen me doing a lot of demo trading, a lot of back testing as well. I still do the back testing and stuff. That didn't really get a lot of views though or anything. So what I do is I still do a lot of back testing just to keep my mind refined. And I did some on Sunday morning as well. I was going to film, but I thought, no, just focus. So because there's a lot of it's one of these things that's very tedious. Like a lot of things won't happen, and doesn't make for really great viewing, honestly. But if you are looking to backtest, there is a link in the description section. I think there's probably a special, like an Easter special. If you click the link, it is an affiliate thing that I have, so I get, I don't know what it is, maybe 20% from the sale of the product. So it's normally $2.99. Typically, the discount is from $50 to $100 off. Sometimes 30, but there'd probably be like an Easter thing or something, I'd imagine. So anyway, we've got the USD yen. Again, it's who knows. 105 flat is very significant. If we get through that, could really go off to the races. But it could just easily have a bullish bounce. So for the people thinking about maybe selling this, look, my recommendation is do what you want, but the probability is we'll probably see a bounce. I mean, I got in late-ish at 106.28, so you just got to remember that. Euro Aussie, this looks better. This has been consolidating for some time. That's where I got in there, the 9th of Feb. So as you can see, it's nearly been a month. And was I phased at all? Absolutely not, because it's just trading. Like it's very rare that you're going to get a takeoff, like a real without a pullback. So I got in, and there's been a couple of times really that's very close to the stop loss. That's like 3 times where the stop was nearly hit. So the stop loss is based on the 55-day moving average as well. All right, so the USD yen, we've touched upon. The Euro Aussie we've touched upon. I'll close that down. So that's where we are floating unrealized P&L. So look, the start of March has been pretty good. I had the USDCAD trade, which I did close out accidentally. But I've learned how to move the stop loss to break even now on the phone. What I might start doing is incorporating a automated trailing exit of a 1R. So there's even less work I have to do, which is good. I do manually take all the trades as well. I want to sort of highlight that as well. All right, so Aussie yen, a little bit of support down here where it pretty much is at the 81.70 sort of level, but definitely worth watching. Probably won't be taking a trade on this. What I might do is move the Euro Aussie to break even potentially if it keeps moving like it is, just to free up some risk, because I've still got 4% risk on the table right now. So when you can, you want to minimize risk as well when it's valid. I mean, the Euro Aussie has moved pretty nicely, so although there was a lot of patience, and I totally actually forgot about it. I really thought it was just going to trickle down, hit the stop loss, and what you need to do is you have that trade going, you need to be ready for another opportunity, which I have been with the Aussie yen. So what I might do is just scan the other charts. You can hear in my voice I'm excited. It's Monday. I'm working tonight, but that's okay. Got my finger fixed. To anyone who, I thought it was like a bite. I put some cream on it. If ever it's red and inflamed, you need to see a doctor, like immediately. So that's a good lesson. And it was after hours, so it was expensive. But I'm like, look, I'm a stupid person, really. Stupid person. For the people who do watch this, I hope they find some humor in that. Look, USDCAD is probably going to run as well. So disappointing, to be honest, that I got out, but it was over 2% that trade. So it's not. You can still go broke taking profits, okay? Because if you lose as a bad and you win as a small, you see what I mean? It's a cruel game. So you've got to be. Although my losers are never more than 2%. So you really want the winners to really count a little bit. I took the euro. I've had a look at that. Let's have a look at the Kiwi. Let's have a look at the pound Kiwi. It's right there too. Not so anymore. And then I'll have a look at the pound yen because a viewer did ask me about that. No. When the markets are flat like this, have something else to do. Don't just watch the charts and go down lower time frames. I can't stress how dangerous that is, honestly. It requires a very skilled trader to day trade Forex. A lot of discipline, because you can get in and out so quickly, and you have that losing trade. You're like, oh, I was so close. Let's try again, and it can be very. Oh, the pound yen broke out. Look at that. Okay. Connor likes these sort of trades, although he doesn't like extended. For me personally, is it 55 or is it the 200? No, that's the 55. Look, that's a possible sell trade right there. I mean, that's yeah. Pardon me. Pound yen is a possibility. So for the viewer, I hope you're watching. I forgot your name. I do apologize, but you did ask about it. I appreciate the question. What I normally do is I don't like to trade Mondays because the move on the Monday is indicative of the opposite of what will happen. So I just like it to settle, and I'd actually like to see a bit of a retracement here, and then it hold. Ideally holding this range here, and let's go sideways, and then Tuesday I pursue it. But again, I've got the risk on with the Euro Aussie, got risk on for the USD yen, so I'm just going to hold back and wait for it to sort of present a setup to me. And that's, I forgot what the pound Kiwi was doing. So we're on some strong pain. Okay, yeah, all right, so flat. In conclusion, Aussie yen and pound yen are two potential trades. Aussie yen is a sell, pound yen is also a sell, guys. All right, thank you for watching. More updates to come. There'll be an update tomorrow. If you'd like screenshots and commentary, follow the Twitter account at TradeTalkPippin. It's PIPPIN. All right, all lowercase. That will give you the most up-to-date. I do screenshots. Connor's commentating on moves as well. He's given updates because I can't really make a video off the phone and upload it to YouTube. It just takes too long to upload, so it's once to twice a day max for the Forex stuff. But today it's only going to be one video, guys. So please enjoy. Happy trading and enjoy your Monday. Bye for now.